True Jamaican vibes with people, yeah man, with our Ocherias over the pier era. It's already the ship dock. Yeah man, so big up on yourself and enjoy the tour with fire rain, you know? Yeah man, Jamaica nice man. So look go enjoy our beautiful island Jamaica. You don't know so we are tour Jamaica and show the world go on. Any little thing we can show we are show the world go on in Jamaica, you know? Island dog. Yeah man, so you don't know say link up your boss. My eyes are yours. You say my boss.
Oh, go on, my people.
What's for yourself with there?
Myself, you know. Watch you with there, you know. Pier 1, you know. Yeah, man, so we're there. I walk out on the beach side, yeah. Yeah, man, showing us some lovely boat and all of them something there. Because I know how pretty the island be. And guys, trust me, right now, I tell you, Jamaica, well nice. Yeah, man, you don't need to take a trip and come down to Jamaica, guys. Come enjoy yourself. Vacation, destination, Jamaica. Big up yourself.
Big up your child, you know,
Yeah,
boss.
man,
So you know,
and
so
guys,
I work where I work, you know.
Yeah, man. Two away work together, you know, guys. My channel name is My Eyes Are Yours. Right now, me travel over the island as well. We do some cooking and me try to incorporate some drone footages in the videos as well. So I'm gonna go over there, show some love, give me the support, guys. Thanks. Big up on yourself.
Yeah man, as I hear what the boss I say, we need to support each other, you know. One love and one heart. You see? Man, boss. Yeah man, so you see it. I some clean up the machine, I some clean up the things them, you know. What a pretty people. Come like that boat in my move for years. They're fast like a gunshot. They're fast. Man. Alright, I tell you, say the water out here is so different. Pretty. Yo, man, I tell you, say Jamaica nice, you know. I'm not busy with nobody wants it. I love Jamaica, my people. I love Jamaica. I don't business when nobody wants it. I love my island. Look at the beauty, man. All them squad, Sean. Yeah, man, my eyes are yours up there, you know. I see big Mully, big driver. Take up, see there, you know, big driver, that, you know. Yeah, man, they know Jamaica more than the GPS. Remember, I tell you that. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Morning. Yes, with people, one love, one heart. So we start with that Ochi. Yeah, man, with that Ochi and most of them places here. Nice. Most people come visit them places and tourists them. So big up for yourself. See it there? You know, say all of them know the location, yeah? Everybody want to come at Dunsua Falls. See it there? The world famous Duns River Falls, you know? Yes, for people. Yeah, man, Jamaica nice, you know? Yeah, man, so we all know that. No place like Jamaica. No matter where I go, no place like my island, you know? Up on the mountain top there. Where's the boss?
Yes, guys, you don't know, you know, we're on the tour, you know. Yeah, man, right now we're there now watching. Stop at Duns River Falls and Park. Right now we are trying to do now like a video of the water settings and all of them stuff. You guys just saw the water clean and pretty. Yeah, man, water nice now. Guys, right now this is a place to feed the heat. And I don't know if the summer come up. You come out of the house, try and get yourself relaxed and sort out to yourself as best as possible, you know. So big up on yourself, fire rate, big up.
Yeah, man, so out and about again. Yeah, man, so enjoy yourself. Yeah, man, water pretty.
What is it? Hmm?